Hello Leos, welcome to my channel Surbi, and this is a reading for you and your person. On one side will be your energies, on other side will be the energies of a person you are thinking of or you are dealing with, and then there will be a mutual energy or the outcome of that situation. And as they are also general readings, they may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. So please check your moon sign and your name sign in that situation. And for the personal reading, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what we have for the Leos. Okay, the Emperor. Okay, your partner or the person you're thinking of, the Knight of Pentacles. The mutual energy or the outcome is the Queen of Wands. Okay, so with the Emperor, perhaps this is your energy. So you are very control of the situation, whatever the situation is. Perhaps you're not showing much of your feelings, but you are in a position, perhaps you are, this is a person who is authoritative, maybe even bossy, maybe even dominating. So maybe this can be your nature in this relationship, but definitely you are in good control of this uh, relationship. You are in good control of this situation, whatever the situation is. You do have an eye on someone, even if you are not showing it. And you are in a position, what I'm getting here is you are, perhaps you are a leader, you are in some way. Okay, at least maybe people look you in that way. It can be that also, or it can be just a general energy that this is your nature, that you are, perhaps you have that, those qualities which an emperor possesses or a king possesses. Okay, so this can be an actual status wise or a position wise, or it can be your own qualities which are coming off in this way, in this relationship. But definitely that is the vibe over here. But you are in control of the situation, you are not showing much. That's what I'm saying. Though you have eye on a person, but you are not showing it much. And your partner with the Knight of Pentacles, again, not moving ahead. Things are there, perhaps affection is there, love is there, whatever it is, but just not moving. So things are not moving as for now. Though love is there, affection is there, but things are just not moving. And here as the outcome with the Queen of Wands, again that same simple complacent sitting tight on the chair. That, and though it's like I don't see any action. That's what I'm trying to say. Even if affection is there, even maybe you are talking to each other, whatever it is, things are not they are not taken off. That's what I'm getting. Things have not taken off with the Queen of Wands. This person is also sitting cool, calm, complacent. You are also sitting here cool, calm, complacent. And though affection is there, I don't see things moving as for now. Let's see. Why is Emperor here for? What's there behind the Emperor? Okay, we have the Six of Wands, the Ten of Swords, and the Justice. Okay. So what I am getting here is that there has been on your part also, maybe that is the reason that you are not showing your emotions over here, that you have an eye on something, but still I think you are waiting for some facts to come out, or you're still looking for some missing bit of information, or you're still waiting for something. That's what I'm getting. You still want to see some more, have some more knowledge, or waiting for some more time, whatever it is. And the reason behind it is with the Ten of Swords, you too have a sort of there is some history, or there is some reason over here with this person, or in general there has been some sort of you have a bad experience in the past, in this situation or the other situations, whatever in life, but there is a bad experience over there in which you feel sort of knocked down. Okay, and here you are trying to balance the situation with the Justice. There is some sort of truth. I think if you're waiting for something, then it will come out. Things will get balanced. You will see what you actually want to see or you're waiting for. That's what I'm getting. You're still waiting for something, and that will come out with time. Maybe you're not sure of the feelings of the other person, and that is what you're waiting for. Can be that maybe you need some more time and you want to see, you're just waiting for something. And what I'm getting here is you're being cautious over here because you have a bad experience. But with the Six of Wands, I think things will be okay. It's happiness. It is victory. It is victory. So I think things should move forward. Let's see what's there on this side. The Knight of Pentacles, therefore. Knight of Pentacles, the Six of Swords, the Knight of Cups, and the Four of Cups. So in this, on this side, on, as I said, there are feelings, there are emotions, there is love perhaps, but whatever it is, things are not moving. And the reason behind is that this person is moving away from something which was very, very emotionally disturbing in the past. This person is trying to just get out of the situation, and this person is very, very reluctant in accepting anything now. So this person is not in the mood of accepting anything. They are very, very reluctant because they have also suffered in some way, but it is a transition period of their life. They are trying to move away from emotional turbulence. They are just seeking peace in the situation. Though here also there is love, but there are hurdles. There are hurdles. They are not they are not ready to sort of go past those hurdles. Whatever the hurdles are, whatever the obstacles are, there are still obstacles, and this person is reluctant in accepting or in moving forward. Still there is some sort of reluctancy, because I feel here is with the six, this is the main thing which I am getting. Even if emotions are there, maybe this person may take a step or accept your proposal, whatever it is. But the thing is that this person is reluctant because they are in a phase of a transition. This person has emotional turbulence in the past, and they are just leaving. They just want to leave those times. And I don't see that they have traveled a lot towards peace as for now. They have just started to move towards peace. Okay. And they don't want to take any risk again. They don't want to take any risk. That's what I'm getting. They just the main thing is love may be there, but they are not willing to take any sort of risk. They have just started moving towards peace. Okay, that has been one or two steps. That's what I'm getting. So first of the priority for this person is to seek peace for themselves first of all, and then at least as for now. Okay, so that reluctancy is still there. Let me see the outcome. The Queen of Wands, the Strength, the Page of Wands, and the King of Pentacles. Okay. The Queen of Wands, where many kings and queens coming out here. So it can be that you are dealing with your equal counterpart, perhaps with the Emperor here, the Queen of Wands here, and the King of Pentacles. Perhaps both of you are in a situation which is both of you are in your own status parallel, on the same page. That's what I'm trying to say. Perhaps both of you are on the same page. You are dealing with your significant with the person who is at your own level, sort of, or at par with you. Okay, and that nature and authoritative nature, maybe both of you have the same thing over here. And with the Strength card, the Page of Wands, and with the King of Pentacles over here with the Queen of Wands, in the outcome or in the mutual energy, definitely there is some sort of a new beginning over here. But with the Strength, this situation requires a lot of patience, lot of determination, lot of compassion, determination, passion, and patience over here. That's what I am getting. Things will see, there may be a small new beginning, some new spurt can be there, but I don't see much of an activity or much of a takeover going on, at least in the near future. Perhaps it may happen after some time, because with the Page of Wands there is definitely a new beginning, maybe a small one. It can be just a friendship, it can be that, but I don't see any commitment or anything like that coming in. Okay, so it can be just a new beginning in a sort of a friendship. Okay, it will take a lot of strength, it will take a lot of, whatever the situation is, both of you, you have to deal with it with a lot of dignity, lot of patience and determination. Both of you are, again and again I'm getting this thing that both of you are of the same, like king and the queen. That's what you understand, how the behavior is of a king and a queen. So it's like that. I don't see anything much emerging over here as for now, but yes, things are there. That's what you can say. Yeah, love is there, affection is there, some sort of friendship may come up, but not a romantic relationship. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Leos, and hope it resonates, hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.